with your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, that stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the like none, pity don't think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These bad bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another great tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do a granny square blanket with trimming on the end. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a slip knot. Now, I'm not going to be showing you guys the magic circle method. I'm just only going to be showing you how to do the chain 4 method to start off your granny square. If you'd like to see it a different way, then you can go watch my other videos. So what you're going to do is chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to slip stitch into the first chain, and that will count as your magic circle for everyone, because making a magic circle is confusing for most, so there's no problem to be confused. You can also do a different method. So now you're going to chain 3. That's going to act as your first double crochet, and then you are going to make 2 more double crochets into the circle. So now you'll have 3 double crochets, and then you're going to chain 2. Then you're going to go back into the circle, and you're going to put 3 more double crochets, and then you're going to chain 2 again. This is our last one. We're going to make a total of 4 clusters. So this is my second cluster. As you can see, looks like a corner. Then you're going to chain 2 again and make 2 more clusters with chain 2 space in between for the first round. The rest of this round is very self-explanatory. Rounds 1, 2, 3, and 4 I do very slow, so you don't have to feel confused. If you don't know how to make a granny square, you can go watch my videos. I don't think I need to sit here and tell you how to double crochet. It's very self-explanatory for this granny square. I have beginner videos that you guys can watch if you don't know how to make a granny square. So I'm just going to let the music play until it's time to talk. But what I can say is that if you're watching this far, you guys can subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Round 2 is very self-explanatory. You're going to chain 3, turn your work, and then you're going to work into the corners that you just made. You're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets. So the chain 3 acts as your first double crochet. You have 2, and then you're going to chain your 2 and put 3 more double crochets. You're going to do that all the way into the end of this round. So once again, you're going to put 3 double crochets into the next space, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. And that's what you're going to do for this whole round. And meet me back at round 3. Row 3 is very self-explanatory. You're going to chain 3 and then put 2 double crochets into the side space. Then you're going to work right over and go back into the corner and do the same pattern from round 2. So this is round 3, and you're going to do 3 double crochets, chain 2 into the corner space, and then 3 double crochets. Then you're going to move over back to the side, and you're going to just put only 3 double crochets. So corners are getting 2 clusters with a chain 2 in the middle, and the side spacers are only getting 3 double crochets. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. And then in the next corner, we're going to put 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. Okay, so after you've done your 23 rows, this is how your blanket should be looking. And now I am going to show you how to do the border. So when I say the border, this is what I mean. It is the shell stitch, if that's what you want to call it. Let me bring it closer. So this is what we're going to be doing. This is what I'm going to be showing you guys how to add this border around your blanket. Okay guys, so in order to do the border, you're going to start off like this, but I'll show you in a second. I just want to show you again what that border is looking like. This is the shell stitch. If you know a different border to do, you can do that one. But after your 23 rows, that's what we're going to do. So how you're going to do your border. You're going to do 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is how you would start yours off once you're done with your granny square portion. This is how you're going to start it off. You're going to do 5, whatever color you choice you use, whatever, it's all up to you. 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to single crochet in the next. Skip this one. Then you're going to do 5 double crochets again. One, 2, 3, 4, and another one, which is going to be 5. Then you're going to single crochet in the next one. Pull that. Then you're going to skip the next one, and then you're going to do 5 double crochets again in the next chain. And that's basically how you're going to do the border all the way around. 1, 2, do not have to. So I'm just going to slip stitch into the top of the first pearl, first shell. I don't know why I'm saying pearl, but the first shell. And that's how you would do the border. Very self-explanatory. That's why I waited to the end to show you. This is what it's looking like all around. This is what the corner is looking like. You just follow the same pattern all the way around for the border. You start off with single crochet, skip 5, single crochet, skip 5, single crochet, skip 5, single crochet, skip 5. Single crochet, you're skipping 1, 5 in the next. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. That is all. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming back with more videos.